BSTV, we back, and right now we about to show you my spring wardrobe collection. I pulled a couple pieces out just to show you guys, so let's get into it. So first, hello.
So you're just gonna deny my FaceTime?
Nah, I didn't get a call. No, I did not get a call. I was sitting here the whole time. Did y'all hear my phone ring?
I didn't hear nothing.
No, I promise.
Live from the field, looks like the boy.
So y'all didn't even tell me that I had this weird earthworm thing on my hair during the whole video. I apologize, viewers, for this. It's very distracting. I'm sorry. Enjoy the rest of the video. So with springtime, it's all about avoiding dark colors and keeping everything lightweight because it gets kind of hot and we can't be out here sweaty. So first off, we got a couple short sleeve shirts. Got a couple OVO pieces. Here's the OVO black. Here's the OVO white. This is a nice piece to layer with. Then we got another OVO. This is the nice Easter color. The classic, everybody needs one of these, the Bape. Come on now. And then this is a Supreme random t-shirt. I thought this was cool. It has a lot of outfit options with just white and silver. And then this Supreme retro shirt. So that's all we really have for the regular t-shirt. Oh, and I also pulled out a couple long sleeves because they're white. So this has a nice little Supreme. This has a nice little graphic on the back. And then we got the Bape. So you probably wouldn't wear a jacket with these because they both have front and back. So, oh, how could I forget? The Mac Daddy.
B-Long got me touching on your... Bro, what is in your hair, bro? Come on, no, real talk.
Yeah,
Ugly.
Next, we got some jerseys because I like wearing jerseys in the springtime. So this was actually a jersey my dad got from Spike when he played on Spike's basketball team. So G-Man.
Shout out to
Shout out to my dad, G-Man. We got the Kong jersey. This is my dad's clothing brand. And then we got
I'm gonna text my uncle
a couple of Spike's joint pieces. Basically, I just have this jersey in like every color they offer. I love Spike's joint. I'll probably do a Spike's joint video for you guys later too. So keep your notifications on. We got this jersey. It's nice mesh. It's very breathable. Love this jersey. The only thing is it's black, so you can't really wear this on a very hot day. And then this Positive Wear jersey. Same thing, very breathable. And then my third breathable jersey, this 40 Acres at a Mule Spikes joint.
I like that one.
Love this one. Those are basically most of my darker colored things. Then we have these two. So, yeah, those are hard.
Love you.
Let's fix that.
Supreme.
So springtime, you gotta have shorts and you gotta have light colored pants. Got a two-piece Bape, two-piece spring tracksuit. Got the Choose shorts. You'll find out about that later though. That's top secret. It's top secret. And then some OVO shorts.
This is on camera. I don't know. I was looking.
Got the Adidas half calves. Well, it's more like
but
2 3/4, you know. And then I decided to go ahead and sew some IKEA straps on the side of these Adidas shorts just for fun. So these are nice to pair with a couple of shoes I got. And finally, I have a couple of track pants, some spring colors. Got the red and the white. It's more of a salmon, probably.
it's not even a color.
Salmon is definitely a color.
That's a fish. Shut up.
Jacket wise, We gotta keep everything light colored and lightweight. So we have this jean jacket, nice white. You know it took everything in my power not to paint this, so it still might get painted. Gotta have the Supreme hoodie.
Supreme.
With this slight flex, you know, with the floral interior.
Oh, that shit's actually, come on.
We got this Supreme piece.
Supreme.
This is one of my more first Supreme pieces. We got this hilarious graphic on the back.
Hentai on the back.
And finally, everybody knows spring windbreaker time, so we have this nice pastel windbreaker. It goes with a lot of my shirts.
So is that banana yellow or?
Nah, this is like,
Don't say salmon.
It's like pina colada.
it's like pina colada.
Get
It's
your
like
colors,
picnic
bro.
blanket. Got the nice picnic blanket pattern on the inside. Then we got the Tommy Hilfiger sleeve deco. And then we got the Nike windbreaker. And then, accessory wise, I just copped this bag last time I was in LA.
Supreme raccoon pouch.
If we are Supreme.
We got the vape bag to match the two piece. Probably seen this on the vlogs before, but this one's pretty new, so. All right. Now, for some shoes. I got a lot of Vans, I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, this isn't even all of them. I just pulled a couple of my favorite colors out. So we got the blue Vans. These work well with most of these work well with the white t-shirts I have.
Stand up, you can use my shoulders.
The classics. The other classics. These my girlfriend made me. They're customs, so I really like these. I copped these because they match a lot of the designs I put on clothes, which you guys will see soon. These to match a lot of the retro jerseys I showed you guys. Gotta have right time period type pieces. The completing factor to the Bape two-piece bag collector's edition. And then the NMDs. I love these shoes. Cop these in LA with the Supreme bag.
Adidas.
And then just a couple of Ultra Boosts. This is basically
I like
just
those.
like my everyday shoes. Yeah, I think that's basically it for this. So thanks for watching.